Now we are going to solve another word problem. Millie Borden has only 4 cups of milk left in the refrigerator. She needs 1 1/3 cups of milk to make pancakes. How much milk will she have left after she makes pancakes? We want to remember the steps in problem solving. Number 1, understand the problem. What is my question? The question says, how much milk will she have left? So I'm going to underline my question. If you are working a word problem, and you don't know how to solve it, you could at least write down the question on your paper. You could also write down, what information do I know? So you could say that she has 4 cups and she needs to use 1 1/3 cups. So that's the information you know. Now, we are going to plan for solving the problem. And if you look, it says, how much does she have left? That helps us to know that we need to subtract. So now we're going to solve. And so we are going to subtract what we started with, 4 minus 1 1/3. Now we'll put our units in at the end. First, I'll put these as improper fractions. So this is going to be, I'll multiply times 3 over 3. I get 12/3 minus 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1, 4/3. That gives me 8/3, which equals 2 2/3. Now, I've got to remember to put my units on there, so it is 2 2/3 cups. Now, I have to check my answer. Did I answer the question? The question asks me, how much milk will she have left? Well, I started with 4 cups, I subtracted how much she used, and then the answer is what she has left. So I did answer the question. Now I have to see if my answer makes sense. Okay, she started with 4 cups. She used 1 cup and a little more than 1 cup. So if she only used 1 cup, she would have 4 minus 1 would give me 3. But she used a little bit more than that. So she will have a little bit less than this left over. So her answer should be a little bit less than 3. 2 2/3 is a little bit less than 3. So my answer makes sense. Another way I could think about it is if I thought about, I did 4 minus 1 1/3. Well, if I subtracted 1 first, 4 minus 1 would give me 3. But then I need to subtract the 1/3. Now, if you think about that, that's going to leave me 2. And if I took 1/3 away from 3, I'd have 2 2/3 left. So yes, my answer makes sense.